Hello everybody! Nice to see you here. Do you like adventures? Well, today we'll have a short trip to the Amazon and see what was there a long time ago and what's happening nowadays. First, study these words. You will see them in the story about Amazon adventure. And what about you? Have you ever spent time traveling and sleeping in a sleeping bag? And what's the difference between a canoe and a motorboat? Why is a torch a must-have when going on expeditions? Think about situations when you can use these things. What do you know about the Amazon? What would you take with you if you were going to the Amazon and why? Now, read and listen to the story. Is there anything what surprised you? Are you ready to go to the Amazon? Compare your ideas with what Pops and his friend did and saw on their expedition. Answer the questions. Find the sentences which prove your ideas in the text.
The Explorers. Amazon Adventure.
The explorers are in the Amazon. They're looking for the lost tribe of Anna Marta.
We have to go down the river. Look, there's a motorboat.
When I started exploring, there weren't any motorboats. We had to use a canoe, but I could paddle really well.
We know, Pops.
Look! A monkey. Where's my camera?
Use my phone, Pops.
When I was a travel journalist, we had to use a camera.
Did you have to use that one, Pops?
Yes, I did. It's old, but it still works.
Which way now?
Let's look at my map.
Don't worry, Pops. The GPS says turn right.
When I was a jungle guide, I could get to places without GPS, and I could read a map really well.
Finally, the explorers find the tribe.
What are they saying? Use the Translate app.
Oh, I can't. The phone is out of battery.
In my day, we didn't have to worry about phones or batteries. When I couldn't speak a language, I used my dictionary. Here.
It's okay, Pops. Look, he's got a mobile phone.
A smartphone 100? Cool!
Oh, I give up.
Here is the time to look at some examples. You remember the phrase have to, has to. Let's compare what we have here. He has to do his homework every day. It's in present because we have every day. The next sentence is about the past, last year. And we change has to into had to because of these key words. Another example, when we talk about abilities in present, we use can. He can swim. But in the past, we change it into could. So, our grammar material today is the use of had to and could. Look at the explanation. Had to means it was necessary. We had to use canoes. It was necessary to use canoes. Ми повинні були використовувати каное. To make a negative form, we use did as an auxiliary verb and not plus the infinitive form have to. The meaning is it wasn't necessary to do it. Не було необхідності робити це. We had to use canoes. We didn't have to use canoes. Did also helps make a question. We put it in the first place, then a subject goes, have to, and the main verb. Did you have to use canoes? The short answer is as in the past simple. Did, didn't. Did you have to use canoes? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Remember, when we talk about something in present, we use either must or have to. See lesson 16. In the past, both verbs have only one form, had to. This verb works like any verb in the past simple. The next verb is could. It's the past form of can, which means that a person has some ability. I can swim. Я вмію плавати. In the past, we have I could swim when I was a child. We use could with all subjects. After it, we have a main verb in its infinitive form without to. She could use a phone. This verb works without any helpers. It means that it makes a negative form itself plus not. We could use a phone. We couldn't use a phone. The same situation is with questions. Could is on the first place. Then a subject goes and a main verb in infinitive without to. Could you use a phone? The short answer is formed with could and couldn't. Yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Remember, there is no to after could and couldn't. He could ride a bike. She couldn't ride a horse. Could they use a phone? Time to practice. Do these exercises and check your answers. Well done! That's all for today. See you next time. Bye!